Normon has decided to completely challenge and renew its strategic logistics concept. When Normon was looking for a solution for optimal operation, they demanded nothing but the best conveyor technology. Interroll was chosen to be the sole supplier. More than 1.5 kilometers of MCP were installed successfully. The result is a substantially improved facility with increased accuracy, efficiency, and customer satisfaction.
No existe ninguna instalación en el mundo.
There is no facility in the world that has such an automatic replenishment system, one that feeds manually to a conveyor system, assembled in this case by Interroll, with integrated labeling and complete dispatch sorting. This hadn't been done up until now.
A superhighway for delicate goods and fast runners.